How wrong with his cocoa walk so? Cocker eye, you throw a stone behind you and badmouth Jamaica all the time. You're an American citizen. Go right to Trump and make him help your backside.
Right Honorable Prime Minister Andrew Holness, what you have to say about the stagnant people in America that having a problem with the Jamaican bloggers? What you have to say, sir?
Those who have an issue, leave!
Happy Wednesday. Lord Jesus, the week done already. The week just start and it done already to Rastaja. Wagwan, wagwan. Jesus, peace. Them plan for me and Donna. Curly plan for me and Donna to Rastaja. Curly says she write letter for the Jamaican to the Prime Minister for the Jamaican bloggers. What can go so? Curly, so you take control and see that. You see, make sure put in your place. He's an American citizen. So what you want him to do against is Jamaican citizen to please you as an American citizen? Eh? You know, so say you're idiot. Every day you come out and come take yourself to clown. And then you go write and talk about what? I know they would have run with it. I give them things to talk about. How the hell you come out here and give people things to talk about? And clowning out yourself at the same time. People don't busy if you give them things to talk about because you just want content. You're clowning out yourself. And you shouldn't be out here clowning out yourself just for content because you don't live off social media. Unlike me, as in this video, you're saying I'm living off social media to feed my hungry belly pitney them and my big ugly pitney and my one boy. And you tell me about my pitney and I tell a lie that I am the one who first bring your kids into social media, and poor me. I was always an advocate not to bring kids into social media. Kids was off limit. Until you drag my kids into social media and tell me what me I do to my daughter or whatsoever. So don't do that. Alright, so anyway, she come out here in defense also for Donna. For Tina against Donna. Because there was an issue. There wasn't any issue. Tina created an issue. Where I will give you that video later on. Where Tina created an issue with this young miss that went to Donna. The cancer survival person. Miss Jamaica or Miss Universe, whatsoever. And she make a big issue out of it. Right? And then I don't know what transpired where some calling, as what she said, the young miss must get called. Said Tina, she dep on her platform and mock her in a pink this and pink that. And she must have took to Donna platform in speaking of it. So Tina feel like say it give her the justification to come out against Donna because whatsoever, like Donna called the girl or whatsoever, I don't know. But if it's because the girl used Donna platform to say what she say, remember it's Donna platform you come fast and see her upon why you do what you do. And come out here upon your video. Because me don't know what I'm doing so. Me don't know what I'm doing so. I just a trail behind this woman for what reason I don't know. And then I go on like a woman a troll and a troll the woman. The woman can't make a move if she turn so she buck up on her. She goes a twang. Alright now on the face. Is she over a yard and dash out little dirty water right now on the face? Because just behind the woman pee pluck. Anyway, as I say, Marcia come out in defense of T-girl, sir. Without any facts. Because it come like a be a wolf she have. So we are going to make her hear that. And she done me, people. Lord. Not even the spinners with my boy did have in an order they come when him going at the gully and run down fuzzy with boo. Not even that. Never done like how Marcia come done me and me pitney them. So on the stage, show no do they do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And remember, follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And please don't forget, or forget I should say, remember, check out the website of charmsandtrend.shop. Mother's Day is coming up. Support my merch. Buy your mom one of those coffee cups she can drink her coffee or tea from in the mornings and feel special because her picture and her name is on that cup. Buy her a souvenir. Support Speak My Mind merch. Okay? Charms and Trend, that shop. You can go on the website and purchase. If you want anything customized, like how you don't want your mother picture, your husband picture, your anniversary picture, and whether a tumbler, a water bottle, a teacup, a wine cup, whatsoever, just go up on the Instagram page, charm_and_trends on Instagram, and drop in the DM for further information. Quick you get response from customer care. Quality goods, affordable price. And please, if you're going to support me, try to make your order early for those customized things, because you don't know customized picture if you go up on this, so you have to do it in time so you can get it for Mother's Day. Alright? Support. As I say, I don't want a follower. Support I want. You understand? And the thing is, so much only used to come out. Do some t-shirt, do some this. And trust me, the t-shirt, remember do if I never stranger. Away from social media, away from a little handful of people them otherwise, compared to the amount of people we have on the platform. Trust me. But that's why I never plan to do them something because I know them thing I go. You understand? Anyway, the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. When they give me, I use a gift to give back to the needy and not the greedy. Alright? We are jump right into the video. No time to waste. I'm so excited to get on a Marcia skin. Not our skirt or our clothes, our skin. I want to rise our skin. Yeah.
Missy, I come to the understanding that people are very biased out here. I will need to stop it. Today, I was watching, I pass over by TikTok. I know say YouTube or whatever will tell you say who is live or who not live. And you see the topic and it says Donna live with Miss Jamaica or whatever it is. So when I was on live over something click, and Mrs. says she I talk to the lady. I never see the woman before, I don't know nothing about her. So me did hear her talk about cancer and how you have to be good to help people. You have to be good to people so people can be good to you. So I watched it for maybe about 5 minutes because I want to hear what she was saying. I come off and continue what I do. Till this evening now, when somebody called me and said, I'm trying to call Tina.
Listen.
I tell Tina, say she over a page. I tell our admin was strike her a picture. So me I say, then how is it that she go send somebody to try Tina a picture when these people out here using my picture, and when them are sending, when me sending to YouTube, that means me I do it wrong. That means me I forgot inside of the me sending to YouTube on the platform.
You don't know nothing what you do, that's why. And what kind of picture you sending for? Thumbnails? Thumbnails that have effect that you can you might make out your face, but it's like a cartoon picture most of the times. What Tina is doing, Tina is putting up the woman picture big and clear on her background green screen, which is a new feature that YouTube have given where them copy from TikTok. That is what Tina is doing. Putting up the woman picture of her house, inside, outside, and the woman picture upon her background screen. It's not a thumbnail. And once a thumbnail has nothing discriminating in certain manner, YouTube won't remove it. They can remove it because they have removed thumbnail for me already, and me have to appeal it because me never see the reason why them say they moved the thumbnail for, and they did give me back my thumbnail. So they can remove thumbnail, but it all depends. Thumbnail that me have do for you cannot be removed like that so easy. You understand? So you have to know your guideline and your rules. Don't you hear people that say this and people that say that you run one and do it too. Who is you? You have any understanding? You ever stop to read even 5 lines of the guideline of YouTube? No.
I report the picture. I see YouTube take it down. That means I have to go in at the that means I have to go do the paperwork.
No man, copyright it. Copyright your picture.
Part. If she's gonna strike people for her picture, then that means she have her picture copyright then.
Go and go do it too. You know, say you don't copyright your face. So you take so long to copyright your face.
See people use my picture over Facebook, over YouTube, over Facebook, and me report.
You promised to copyright your face, so you take so long. Yep.
That means the only way to get through that strike unless she have her picture copyright.
Come man, but you know where you come for defend.
So another part when me say that I found disturbing.
Oh, no, listen, yes or no, you know, no proof, no evidence, but listen.
Listen to it.
Because she hot for Donna. You know, listen to it.
The woman, the lady
She no listen to it. Yeah, she no listen to it.
Say, Tina, she obsessed with her.
She no listen to it, you know, but listen.
Jacket for mock cancer. So me said to the person, say, Donna really go tell the lady that? Them say, yes, it dep on her page. So me come to you tonight, Donna, cause you know what I mean? Cause you have a lot of stress by you, you have a lot of things on your mind, so you don't sleep good.
I saw it go. You know what sleepless night, leeching and bush trot and the Hendrix them have? Yes, cause they are business people. And they have project to wake in the morning with them Kevin. Wait for see morning light to get them project off the ground. Because these are ambitious people who want to get started. Unlike you have nothing to think about more than dicky. Going to the store, buy this, buy that. You know, not even a roof over your head you think about. So she have things to think about. She thinking about what is the next step where investment is concerned. Because you have to keep the dollar rolling. You cannot be spending what you have achieved already and none now roll over. It a go done. And then she go turn papa and wanna sit down and go laugh. So she have to keep the thing rolling, the investment coming in. Donna look like she uncomfortable to you? Eh? Look if you see Donna look like she uncomfortable. Uno want things that she uncomfortable because that's all no want to see her. Why did me see her post a picture about? Look at her, to the woman. A regular Donna sit down and stays up on the veranda, look out of space. And when we think I look out of space, I look the woman, I look on our next move of investing. Look on our next move. What other cake me can bring out? What other this me can do? Just as me said, most time people see you talk to yourself, them have it beside the first sign of madness. But me prefer for reason made myself and God. So most time when you see me a reason and me and God a reason. Cause me no want come tell all a crowbait like you nothing for your car back. Come take it tell me 2 days, 3, 4 days after me ain't or something. So me reason with God. No, but the better to reason with but him. So when you see me I go on the road and talk to myself and feel like say, boy, oh the first sign of madness. No, I got me a reason with me aware of what me I do. So when you see the woman sit down, so I think she think her next move of investment. Unlike your next move is which one me I go buy a food later. Me I go buy a shades tomorrow. Me I go buy a frock. Me I go buy a shoes. Cause that's all you think about.
You not sleep good at night time. You got all when daylight you up as
you look company, cause you're uncomfortable in a piece of recliner chair you can't sleep in.
I have a lot of confession to do. I have a lot of financial problem you put yourself in. I have a lot of people we have to maintain. So you're full of things. So you know what I want to confront you about now.
Confront about something you have no evidence about?
So malicious and wicked.
You just say you don't listen. So how you can confront somebody about something you have no evidence about?
Justice. How could you be so malicious and wicked if you tell such a bull lie? If you tell
you hear? Such a bold lie. And she says she don't listen.
Cancer. That's why she wear pink. Then how the woman for mock cancer when the woman have a cancer daughter? No must wear she wear the jacket to represent cancer. What you
She not mocking cancer. She was just trying to put on a show because this young Miss Visit 99 as a cancer survivor. Why from last week before last, or today's what? Tuesday. Why yesterday she never do it? Oh, today's Tuesday. Me I do the video now. See it Wednesday. Why she didn't do this Sunday or even Monday or over the weekend? Huh? From her daughter established on her platform that she has that thing. I never ever see she come out into her pink advocating for people like that. So why today? Why today? Huh? And carry the young Miss picture come and show up and scream. Carry the young man come in a crown. How long she out here? You ever see she put on a crown? No. Everything Tina has done out here, she have a motive behind it. Every goddamn thing. So whatever she did tonight, she did have a motive behind it. Whether jeer, mock, crack, sock, she did have a motive behind what she was doing tonight. She exactly know what she were doing. You might not know. So don't come out here without any evidence. You already declared that you did not listen. But you come out in full swing defensive of Tina. Because you know birth, we flock together. You know homeless together. You know stagnant together. You know pauperizing. You know catch a people place. Everything. And you know almost in America the same time. One just there, a couple years above. So you have everything in common.
You, Donna, is in no blood bomber pussy clad shit.
It was strong she come out and she claimed to say she not here.
When you supporting the two Batman them on social media who downgrading people about them data and women's, you don't have no business for mixing up with no blood clot body that represent the icon.
Left you to 360 tomorrow.
And the vision and persons who
Left you to
are
360
going
tomorrow.
out to different parts of the world to represent the island of Jamaica. They should not
I
be
jealousy
on
I
your
kill it
platform
too, you know.
sitting with you and holding no blood clot
Who
conversation.
don't like to
But
see
some
when
of these
people like these
they
come from
are
the
too
woman
greedy
platform?
for fame. I am
Jealousy.
sure she came on your page to get more exposure. Because, you know, everybody thinks that you're the only page
No
out
man,
here that
you
have
think
mouth.
so also and you
But
know
these
so.
people must understand that lots of us out here with small platforms that care about these type of
Well, listen,
things.
it's
and
all about
diseases
jealousy.
that people out here can represent
These
them
people
also
don't want to see
and
people
give them
like
a
that on the
highlight.
woman
Because
platform
what
because
these people have to
she'll get too much
understand,
recognition.
regardless if me have 40 people out here and she have 1,200, the 1,200 people know about me. They know about Tina, they know about the other platform them too. So once them see somebody come on,
Once them see a background check, them know
going
you're
to come
drunk,
over
bro.
there. Them in a no blood clot position to represent
Once
nothing
them
for
make
nobody
them
go sit up
background
on a
check, them
platform
say you're
and
drunk,
speak
bro.
about cancer which she don't care nothing about.
You know
She
about
don't
it?
care nothing about it.
You care about it?
Not only that, I have no respect for that girl.
She a beg your respect?
To the mere fact
Are you a look
that
respect?
she's
Are you a look
support
apology?
360 and support
She a beg you
modesty.
something?
And it's not about their sex, but about who they are as a man. Who is out here slandering and opening up them blood clot, dirty crutch across woman every day. Then I wasn't speaking of nothing about cancer, you know, until she come a foreign. When she want to keep something to represent, what she represent cancer. Represent cancer, my ass.
Hey, so them people I can't tell dreadful lie though. There is so many times before Donna left Jamaica or America, Donna speak on the topic of that. As a matter of fact, who don't speak on the topic of that? Tell me the honest truth. Who don't speak on the topic of that? Some way, somehow, even if you didn't have a platform in social media, you talk about that amongst your cumblers at some given time, not just 1 or 2 times, because there's so many time occasion is going to arise where you talk about these things, and people talk about these things passionately. Some people might go deep with it, some people might more passionate about it, but when you talk about it passionately because, you know, it is so towards the world. People really have a passion about it. And you're going to say, she never thought this until she come up front because of the intention on the have said the woman use it to promote her party. Cool no too. So why you not try to use something to promote your party? It's sounding no sense. You not learn then. Because if me see somebody do something and it work for them, me I go try it or the same thing. Me I try something like it or the same thing. Because me want to work for me too. Instead of me sit down and grudge and bad mind and hate upon the person. Because that's how the intention say, on the mindset from long time say, that the woman do. How you too?
Your business not about cancer, then how you going to go tell the woman say that Tina Chin was mocking cancer? Then what kind of dangerous lie like that to tell? How the woman must mocking cancer when the woman...
She say, you hear? She say she not hear, you know. And based on what me hear Tina say in the video, but I too want to release this video first, you know, because I too mean this video, yeah. I want to release this in the morning video because the Tina video was a video for release in the morning. Tina said, somebody call the girl and tell her that Tina is mocking her, putting on pink this and Ray on her platform. And somehow, because I don't see the live what Donna, you know, but somehow, me I work out for what Tina said, somehow when the person call now, the young miss took to Donna platform. I don't know if she left already before she get the phone call, or it's same time when she did she get the phone call and she say whatever she said pertaining to what she hear. So all you have said Donna tell her. Me now go stick my neck out because me never hear, me never dep on the platform at the time when all of that happened and transpire, but me just a talk based on what Tina said. Tina said the woman, the young miss get a call, somebody call her and tell her say she Tina dep on her platform in a pink this and I'm jeer and a mock her over there. And the young miss take to Donna platform, whether she did gone already or she was still at Donna, that's what I don't know because I did not on the live, I was on the road. So me just a talk off of Donna, but what she has said, she come now, you know, kakaya, you know, say she not hear herself, you know, but she sticking her neck out, her long neck, because she say my neck stucky. Look for me. 6 foot odd, look for me. And she say my neck stucky. Stucky neck, you can't see that. Them chin dep on them chest. That's who your one coming like garland, you'd expect my one for long like your one. Remember, you know, you're born with all kind of different fault. The more like God did I use to make you, it did drop. And them never get to assemble it properly. So you come out the farm in all different shape and way. So you just feel like everybody should come out like you? No.
Have a data who is battling cancer. You see the amount of pictures and stuff and whatever it is, and somebody obsessed with you. Then may I say to myself, so why is it everybody obsessed with you? You're not obsessed with people too. You come up here, you know.
Don't have time to obsess with people like I want to. Everybody don't have to obsess with most people who are progress, not like you.
Your members say you have some people around you we are work with. You go over there and you endorse the people and by calling their names because people. You just want to hear, you know something.
On the everyday talk, on the whole on the sit down and talk, man.
Page today, and by the time she see so, not even 20 minutes.
I don't want to talk that on the sit down and say every day. We're tired of that.
Because that is her dog whistling way. If you call out their name, you know, say, me did go over this one and this boy I paid this morning. Boy, me I tell him make me laugh, right? That's all. When you give them an endorsement, you send them out for them cuss me and Tina. Me say, God, go and beat out your blood clot while them night.
Sit down and wait.
Go and play with God.
Till your flesh melt off which part you sit down. Sit down and wait.
Me don't know what me say, you must have one little man I pray for you today. That the man there, hell shall be in resting place. Hell shall be in resting place if I waste too much time for you. If I Mr. Helliston, he's a very good man. You know what, but he might waste too much time.
King Chapel might have a disaster coming. A good thing Father God strong him prefer stop you than get rid of King's Chapel.
But him a waste time with you.
But with you a text at King's Chapel is not a nice
I
sight.
would even give my prayer none at all. Waste me see that him and they pray for you. And me see you push up your mouth and I'm at them.
King's Chapel might protected by the Almighty. But if it, like a you, a text set at King's Chapel, something might be brewing. But me know Father God might not make no sacrifice just see a culprit like you. So he might just stop you in your tracks when I am there when you drive. I would even tell you where I got me to you. In this video you wish bad for me. Me not gonna wish no bad for you. I will leave it for happen. Me not gonna tell you where I got me to you. But remember say, you not have a good tire upon your vehicle. Yeah? If you buy the one tire the last time, and if you buy the next 3, I know you not buy another one. With all the money what you say you have. Remember, I not say nothing more to you. Read between the lines.
And where the man account for you?
With your liar till about the woman and laugh off of me, sir.
Blood clot 2020 because
You're a liar, man.
see them. Me see you. The man I pray for you last year. And you did it while the man did it pray for you and talk and account for you? Because you don't want to hear what the man I say. Because you want the man who come tell lie. And go on like say God flourish you when
that was the only thing you see.
You, with the line self.
Because you want to see that.
And Satan would give good gift to you just don't last.
And God, you know. And all the gift for you say God give you, God don't give you no gift.
When the man did it pray you, me say me tell you already know.
And the iniquity working where you do. And that's why it now last and that's why you have to shop it out every week. Every week you have to shop out little iniquity money where you get. Now stay with you for do nothing at all good in your life. I said, you have more and beat me you get. I set them set to shop out the whole of the iniquity money where you have. As you get it, you have to find clothes store, food shop.
Nobody don't even pray for you because you don't want a prayer and money you want. So when you bring me silence stand for pray if you bring one of the false client come for you collect money because you're sure not collect the income tax money this year and that's why you're so unhappy.
Bon your ear?
You get opportunity to come and foreign and go to Jamaica and sit down off in a veranda. For what? You're not baking one rascal, Easter not commit.
What about you and the woman there in a foreign? What about you and the woman there foreign? She there foreign and have problem. She there foreign and she have bake, she have problem. She there foreign and she sit down and have problem. She come to Jamaica and she sit down and have problem. She come to Jamaica and I go do something and have problem. Why you have so much problem with the woman? When the woman now look at you, and you have so much problem want taken care of. You have more problem than the amount of white sand down a Negril. I want to see that to take care of that. What I say? You have more problem than the amount of white sand down a Negril. I want to see no time. You take no time and see say you have them the problem there, but you see every problem where she have. What she can solve, she don't need uno to solve it. And uno need people to solve uno problem. Because uno never set no foundation for when problem come, uno can solve it. You understand? And the woman don't have no problem. And have foundation, have backative, have the know-how to solve any problem will come once it is solvable. Kind of every problem solvable. Some problem you have to just live with it. You understand? It's not every problem solvable. But not even the one that is solvable for uno. Uno can't solve. I don't have more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 problem. Uno have, you and Tina have problem right now when no living human being, especially when I live an adult life, no one live. Uno homeless. No human being on this earth want to live like that. And you know mad somebody. 2, financially, uno stress. Financially, uno stress, uno coming like an ass at deliver. Anytime ass at deliver, them stress bad. Yes man, HORSE. When them a deliver, them stress bad. Uno coming like when an ass a deliver, them stress. A sound of financially stress. I don't know, see them things there to take time out and move forward within our life. And he's off of this woman here where you know I try, and it not work. The intro upon the next video. You understand? But you know, continue to make yourself be a pauper in a life by watching the next person's business. Because the time when you take a try make a dollar, especially your friend Tina, she sit around and watch every move of this woman making a dollar. How foolish is she? How foolish is she? She watch every move of this woman making a dollar. Down to the young miss where you come and defend Tina for. Where Tina said it's all about views and money. She don't even know one thing what this young miss is saying about cancer. It's just about the views and the money. I watch she sit down and watch Donna and make money. Oh.
So if I put you in a bake and sitting in a bake, you know have the people them down the fix together and sitting and put them in a bucket long time where you smoke. You know, you come America, you know want to work.
Well, I have problem with Donna stand and stay America, stay Jamaica.
And then you have course hard working people who pay double tooth farm.
Donna status
state and federal.
state that she's a businesswoman in a Jamaica. Oh, me not half say that, me not see it, but me not half say me know that.
Like a them big old blood clot piece of basket.
Just like how when a man come and a foreign, him have a work visa different from a regular visa. Right.
Not for me. You can't go down for the poor ass one, but you're not down for me over here, so. And then you come down and I tell life on the girl, and I say the girl, I've come, she just put her pink for mark. For mark. What kind of mockery in a cancer? Cancer is a very dangerous thing, you know. I know several people die of cancer, you know. My landlord, my previous landlord before I left New York City, she died of cancer, you know. And 3 cancer she catch, you know. First it come in her breast.
The amount of other sickness you call them from people, are it alone dangerous? Are it alone dangerous?
Several appointments. I was there when she rang the bell at the hospital in Long Island. That's when the cancer gone. 6 months after, the cancer came back in her lungs. One day, a couple months, it came back in her brain.
The amount of things, you know, you come out and wish for people. Even in the video, yeah, when me I go play, yeah, wish things for me.
Wish for the cancer that we can't do the surgery, she gonna turn vegetable.
But you know, learn.
The family decides to listen. We ain't gonna
There's
do
so much
nothing.
separation and struggle you pick me go through.
She back and forth out her nurse home till she come
Continue, all it more is to come, where
she
you and him is concerned.
She want until it finally take her at the age of 41. Yes, my dear. See, Carla made her acquaintance, his friend that dead, buried the other day. She cancer came upon her, 2 months she lived with it. Yeah, me take me liquor. Me don't know why my people are. Why not
I think I also share up on my case, I know. I suppose he also share up on my case.
But my tell me, I'm going to get you one of them days.
My case she gone upon,
you make
listen.
the law get you. If you think say me, I make
You know, say you write letter to the Prime Minister.
AI and create all kind of things and talk all kind of things about me and my opinion. You want somebody take one, then want somebody take one dildo and ram it up in your blood clot behind and push in your pussy clot mouth. And make your name that ram.
I'm glad you said dildo, and I might behind it till I go in now. But CJ go spend 2 months a ride. The amount of dicky CJ go off, a person go ride for 2 months. Him get it all 9 nose hole, him ears hole, all about. Piece could have left all down in him throat. Go check him if them bung him and left none in him. Glad you said dildo, and I who for I go in a my one. But the amount of go in a CJ one, and that if you go check out. You can't go do a medical since him come from jail. Eh? Do you carry CJ go do a medical before him come from jail? You're supposed to go check him in and all. Yes, go see if them boy take the whole time Quinty. That you go do. Every day you come out here and say people go check doctor and go at doctor and go check up on them check this and them check that. CJ left jail for the type of man who him is. You should carry him. Go do a medical to see if them trouble him in and all. Now if because I know it good at trouble.
Just ram you up in the car, you're not what about it, boy. You want somebody to get one blood clot 14, 15, 10 to 20 inches and ram it up in the catch you one night and ram it up in your blood.
But see what that CJ get. I wonder if I call you and tell you. Say them RAP him. Eh? Them RAP him.
No, I'm not that. Nobody tell me myself. Tell that little batty boy I want. So boy, you little batty boy at over the side at about me,
Me know what me I do hurt you, know. Me not come out and cuss, you know. Just one thumbnail. Or an intro. And your head gone. So my daughter the trouble you. My daughter the trouble you. Oh, my mother the trouble you. Oh, okay. Fair enough. My mother the trouble you. When you trouble me, my mother the trouble you. So you just trouble back my mother. Okay. My daughter the trouble you. When you trouble me, so you just trouble me back about my daughter. Or me the trouble you. Which one? Me don't know what's going on. Me just confused. Because me don't understand you. Because I you first come out here. I involve my daughter. And when it never enough, you go my mother. Because through Lorraine, it go to Sophia house. And people they behind door tell her if you say all of the little orange spot where the person where they that tell. So Lorraine if you say two of the orange spot where them used to go sell crutches, them know them all. Yes. And them fabricate stories say my mother a crutch and thief in a store. And her picture they all about in a store, but my mother can't able to fly in and out of England when she wants. Plus, people who live in England say them something they not go on when talk about picture in a store. Nothing like that. So when you not go fabricate a story now, and fabricate them type of story the way you know it can be proven say if you tease something, it don't a whole word. Your picture down there, remember them days there. And that was a fact. As a school, as or anybody with thief, not them take your picture and paste up in a whole word. That is a fact. So you could have got to tell people that. But what you know say is not a fact, or you know other people are going to say it's not a fact. Who live in England or who visit England and them something, but you come out here come talk. And this is what me I say, you always come out here and fabricate story make you look like idiot. My mother, a two mother you have and none of them out here now. My girl.
You nasty blood clot like a rapist boy, yeah. We walk on a fuck off the boy with them.
Yeah, them in a rape CJ, I want to catch Romy now. I want to catch Romy at a young stage.
Blood clot, underprivileged pussy clot pick them. We a bumble clot come on Facebook. I can't call up my name to go mind. You like a mongrel, blood clot, hungry, blood clot, Shrek looking pussy clot baby we have the other day. Go suck your dirty girl, bitch up.
Oi. Bouncing baby boy. Him just 1 year old this month. 1 year old. And from him 7 year old. Doctor said, no sir, I won't feed him pan. 7 month old me carry him go to doctor. The doctor said him have the weight of a 1 year old baby. Which is 5 months away from him 1 year old. But about 3 weeks ago, him go back to clinic. The doctor checked me, we said them are going to put him on nutrition diet program. Because at 1 year old at 29 pounds him weigh. What you said a while ago? I don't know, junk food him and I'm like one that throw down in a back and a throw in a plate and give raw me for him. A real natural food, no processed food. Won't not give him for him, raw me for him. And my two daughters them. Come let me tell you something. Hey, when you move, me not talk to you. A dirty nasty caca me talk to. Them just left Jamaica not even 7 months yet. And guess what my caca? One going to the army one day. And the next one for go in. Her mother there tell her I said go in the army and she said no, she don't want that. And then when she read up about the Navy, yes, she like it. And them a come for her. What me say? The government find transportation, come for her at her home, carry her do the necessary, carry her back, come for her, carry her back. Not even 8 months yet. Me could say not even not here yet. And your son CJ born in America as a born American. And when him turn, a fraudist, a menace. Who will tell him it is not a R-A-P-E. Per. You understand? Who will tell? Him is an abuser, a womanizer. Him abuse woman. And him is an American citizen. And just imagine, not even 8 months, and me 2 daughters them gone to the army. I Tuesday, the first one I go off for training. Tuesday, next week Tuesday, the first one I go off for training. You can't talk to me. My pitney them never take a bus to school yet. Never. From basic, prep, to high school. All when time the big one, I go upper 6, and me still have a career go to school. I mean a born rich. But I want the best. Me pitney them. Me never stay far from them. Me never dash them again nobody like puss kitten like how your mama did dash you away and then you end up come dash with CJ. And then you never have the right father, your conscience bother you. If you know say you can't look in your pitney face because in a club you get him. One cock up in a bathroom and here comes CJ. And the man where they really there with and live with. You'd have to throw the pitney on that man. So you not have the, you know, if you looking at CJ face, conscience bother you. You can't talk to me. What me say? You can't talk to me and the foundation lay. On the father God alone. Same treatment for me boy. Same treatment for me boy. Because the foundation lay. When my daughter them I go, me never have no foundation lay. But guess what? Perseverance. Me know what I want for them. I must them come and feel me and feel themselves. But me they know what me want for them. And this is why me never take them, send them in a government school. Because I want them born showing so much brightness. You understand? My big daughter could have spelled her nickname and scramble her last name just after she reached 1 year old. How much people could have do that? Can spell her nickname, although it's a 4-letter word. A 4-letter word, she could have spelled her nickname and scramble out. You know, she that itch. Like she like she a thing. Yeah, but at the same time she might take long, but she scramble it out and spell it. Just over 1 year old. So she was so bright. I'm saying, no government school, no need school where you can get attention. Boom. Private basic school. Boom, prep school. Me never reach, me never have it. But me put in the work to make sure. Yeah. And you know, it a reach a stage now where me I go see the work when me put in. Yeah. Me get to me one. Where you can't come talk about CJ? Eh? Where you can't come talk about CJ?
That's why. And whoever you accuse me for, go turn them upside down and go see my pit there, my
with all pleasure. With all pleasure.
Every day you come up here and watch your man pussy.
If
you want 2 blood clots jack on them.
If me fell ill right now and rush to the doctor, and the doctor said I need a female to do that to where just as if it saved my life, and you was right at the hospital gate, and that woman, the America, and I take a plane, come down and me she up on the plane, me wait for her. Me? Them ask ya, what kind of life me can save now if me put my head underneath you to do what you want, to save my life? It come like me I take my life 2 times. So the better me just wait and just wait up me done, just happen and me just go away and that's it. Or me sit down and wait for that woman there. Me couldn't go to you, Marcia. So you have a right. Me don't know man see you and take you.
How you think you can walk out chat nothing about? You know you look a broke pocket blood clot so good boy walk up a leg and you have blood clot back road a port more soak blood. And you lucky say you too.
You know them the place they in?
Life. Look by you. You can't talk about people. With your little blood clot 4 year, little ugly self.
Man say you smell like going on the back of Jubilee with the afterbirth them.
Like a them water back where you screw off. Look by you. You look how you look.
Marcia, when me look upon you, come like when you go on a Jubilee and you see the big rubbish bin, the whole for afterbirth, them and whole for sitting with them chew down your own there. And the whole for bed wrap them and sitting. When me look upon you, I saw you sick my stomach. You're insipid. No makeup, no clothes couldn't make me see you and make you look attractive to me. When me have to call to you, Marcia. What me say you do? You're coming like round at the back part of Jubilee where the rubbish pan with the whole for afterbirth.
Like a blood clot crusty. Eh? Frowns the blood clot dick boy. Eh? You can't imagine your blood clot dick ugly and shrivel up and look like a them blood clot sashes.
How your head do on my foot?
You can't chat nothing about the body.
Trying to long out your tongue. Come in and want to rabies. Don't long out your tongue. Take it from on my foot, Marcia. Don't long out your tongue. Come in and want to rabies.
Dirty black crusty. That blood clot circumstance. Just as how your blood clot ugly, so your pussy clot dick must you go ugly. They go from your son. You go so good boy.
Oh, what
You can't come style me, am I?
Marcia, what kind of ABC something this year come with Marcia? Marcia, what kind of ABC chasing this? You gonna chase a man about dick where you never see yet. A ABC chasing this, you know, Marcia? You have something come with you? I one thing me I say, me case take head from one of my crutches. Don't long out your tongue, cause me no want no rabies.
Grand get them, am I Pitney? Go suck your mother.
My mother? A two mother you have, and you don't have none to suck right now.
You need somebody to hold it down.
You're fortunate that you get two mother and none is here for you to suck.
I mean, I take back no blood clot talk. Only Jamaica only can go on, so I bet you if you leave America, you're gonna do them something to me. I bet you.
Stop your crying to me, no, Marcia. Stop crying to me, man.
You could have come to them something.
Marcia, stop crying to me.
Yeah? You only can stay at Jamaica and chop badness. Come America with that pussy clot, everything your blood clot bad. Come America.
You're not done with around America and around yard, so what you talk about? Your man a Donna yard and Donna abroad.
If me know that little suck pussy boy, they make me serve him a long time.
You go up on 360.
You only can stay at Jamaica and chop badness.
She come back on me, but you not use 360 as evidence. As example, she choose, you can't find him.
Remember, say the pan road all day. I want your blood clot vehicle run over blood clot flat bridge and never to return. You stinking dog shit, you. Yes, I said so.
Me not need for go country. Me couldn't tell when last me drive them decided. And you won't see that. You will never see that. I will be here to visit your funeral if them bury you at Jamaica. And buy you all a wreath. I want you left. A letter stated that they must bury you at Jamaica upon the whole heap of land where you have a country. Because I don't know if you have land. Because I want to attend your funeral, Marcia. I will be hearing of you passing before me. And I want to bring you a nice wreath. Make out of the word stagnant all the day of your life. Rest in peace.
You're bright and out order. Get up every day and watch me. Yeah, we are watch me, huh? Go watch a dirty girl. We have to come on social media and call my name every day. If you make money, if you mind, your blood clot, your little blood clot, ugly belly pitney. Bang belly blood clot, boy, pitney we have at Jamaica.
Marcia, watch out.
Yeah, that's what you have to do. You can't call me name every day, make contents about me. If me not shit, you know blood clot name, ugly boy.
Marcia, watch out.
Anybody want
Watch out, Marcia.
You want to smell if you rub up a blood clot, dig up in your blood
Watch out,
clot
Marcia.
and put in your blood clot mouth.
Watch out.
That's what you need, that shit, not that ras clot.
Some boy things there, Marcia. And this is just some of them.
Negro blood clot, ugly boy.
Look,
Where you
Marcia.
come from? Just 2 blood clot here, so come on social media, go on like you're somebody.
Yo!
Without Marcia, you don't have no blood clot contents, ugly boy. Go suck your mother, bitch.
Right now.
That's
Right now.
what you need to go do. Go suck your mama.
Right
Suck
now. That's why I'm
your
healthy.
pussy mama England, where walk a thief.
That's why I'm so healthy, Marcia. She never got jail though. She never go in her
She dirty stick. She a mind your pussy clot.
She never end up in an orange jumpsuit though. she never ever get a mug shot, or a teacup shot, or a glass shot. The amount of different mug shot your little dirty boy get. You look a thiefing son, your fraudster son. Me tell you, if you go get him and go do a medical, because them supposed to mash up him anal, because him never did get much treatment down there. So him anal supposed to mash up. Him pile supposed to come down. A woman them say carry salad and female could have come down. Because them deal with him like a woman down there. And that if you go check out. Your one son. And you know the type of son where you have, so him love lies. That's why I'm not make people things pass him have to trouble it. And him end up in a place behind bars where you know whole heap of things going behind bars. Worse when you love lies. Go check out CJ Anal. Can him go do a medical.
But now you get a little change and pass.
I make him see a ENT to call him gonna mash up all him throat.
Blood clot ugly self. Yeah man. You need some of this stuff to blood clot, dirty drunk and feel up a blood clot like a boy in my yard. And that one like say you love pussy, that's why you come every day and customer use a batty blood clot boy. Drunk.
Because one time gone was your son-in-law.
You come up here and trouble me and my
I took me realize that CJ Quintel leave him from him young. I think I knew that take it. That's why I'm gonna be a son-in-law no more.
Crosses, try to take up your woman. Wait, you get nothing out of it. You're not even gonna make one blood clot video reach 10,000. And every day you come back to go for Donna.
And that's your worry about?
Every blood clot day you come back to go for Donna. You know what I mean? Donna no good.
And that's your worry about?
User.
Let me see something.
That's what you is. You don't like her. Because anything when nobody say about her, you go over there go play for your blood clot page. That's for sure you say you don't like it. Because if me come and cuss her, anybody come and cuss her, you play that blood clot for contents.
Marcia.
Anybody will like her should be playing, repeating.
People them supposed to show nothing, you know.
Because
never respect my people them. But if you get a glimpse from far, if you get a glimpse from far, so be the case. My people them supposed to show nothing.
That's why me and doing them did fall out one at a time. Because me I say, oh the blood clot in my play video with other people. When I post me and whatever it is. Yeah. So when you don't like it's the money, it's all about the money. Don't come out here and take up for Donna and cuss our people.
Then all about the money for you too. Make it depend on Donna name. We are cuss our people for Donna. And it's all about the money we want to depend on Donna name. Because Donna name carry the money for you.
And you and the blood clot plank of them come out here first and I shot to them. Start talk about my children.
Yeah man, play a blame game. I sure about myself so I did not. I sure about myself I did not. Oh, me can't speak for nobody else but me sure about myself. I always say sickness.
And I always say that was off limit. And the evidence is out of social media fully.
And don't try to stop my food. If you try to stop my food, you will write off like my prelude.
So I want to expect say, me make no go for talks about my one pitney. Come and suck me out.
No, you man, you allow.
When I first come talk about my children.
You allow, you coming like a dry coconut in a shell. You allow.
To come talk about my pitney and when me lick on the back with food of blood clot and the privilege pitney them. When you come and chat shit about
man say your son born American, him live like a scabby. Your son born American, him live like a scabby. Him never born and come help you. To take you out of your stagnancy and make you not out this. You get such a good opportunity in a life that you end up with two mama. And the one who are your biological parent take you to America. And up to today, you're stagnant all the day of your life that you breathe and God bless you with one pitney because see how you the type of person you is. So you believe in too much iniquity. But him still bless you with one pitney. And the one pitney take all of your drawers, not your jeans, your drawers. And becomes a cruff in America. Big America. Can you imagine? When there is so much opportunity there, the females are born American. Look what people left them country come, they come make it in a life. You left here and go there at a tender age and never make it. And that start developing your genes, your drawers, your brassiere, your gut. The same gut when it end before him born. And him just come just the same as you. What kind of CJ you come out here and talk about? Eh? CJ that make you feel so embarrassed? Every minute you see me in a mugshot for this, that, taranat. Move, man. Come out of people's face.
Get that in our blood clot head coming from now.
Thumbnail will be coming.
Nobody
not me not have to use my own. I just use thumbnail and intro on you.
So I want to think on this. I don't follow crowd on here. I don't follow me a blood clot leader and a pussy clot come see me drunk people.
You're a false leader, man, because you can't even lead yourself.
Come see me.
You can't lead your pitney. You can't lead yourself and you can't lead your pitney. So how you a leader? Must see man we have.
I go sell on a blood clot behind and
yeah,
leave my name out on the contents. And I mean tell if you go take up blood clot man we can't mind, you know. I take up a man we can't do nothing for you. You understand? And I mean tell you, if you never get love and find woman who
man say look at ABC chasing, they've not giving that energy. Look how easy me and roll. You look at ABC chasing, you come with, you tell me about dick and all and sit like you ever see my dick yet.
You know how much time.
Sister, me not have to talk. Listen what she talk about.
The creation where him do.
Listen what she talk about.
Hurts. I was talking to somebody who do computer work. He said those things take time. So to show you all the little pussy old boy desperate for money.
Company now look man to sit down and do one do pound a page, one bag of pistol long so.
I want to go 2,000 and 3,000 and get. And them have a card my name as them only get 500. I want 300. When you go pass by them, you see them get 300 in about 2 hour time or 1 hour time. If you no contents was any good, you could not make 300 in a 1 hour. That's bomb-clad foolishness.
You have channel you have 100,000 subscribers, they ever make that.
My videos them from my party and me a boast about that blood clot. And 1.5 million views me get by that.
See where you have come boast about ya.
Video combination who view my page.
Marcia, at this more you come boast about your lifetime earning in a YouTube or Facebook. More you come boast about, let me switch from lifetime earning. Let's switch on lifetime earning. Let's switch from lifetime earning. Come show me your pay bill monthly. See my one them ya? My people them say I must show nothing in a phone. See my pay bill them ya? With my 300 views. See them ya? See my pay bill them ya? My 300 views, Marcia. Marcia, I wish if you get one of this a month time. You'd wish if you get one of them pay bill a month time, Marcia. When I say, you'd wish. See it there? Use your kakai and see if you can scan. Look, Marcia. See them? You'd wish if you get one of them, Marcia. Come show me your how much $1 million because you add up the views them where you get over here upon them, which you throw it over Facebook, and the views over YouTube where you, and that you show, you know. The views you get overall. Come show me. That views the way you get the 1 million and views the way you talk about. Because I don't know how it jump from 30. Well, you did say 41,000. What do you see it at 31? I see a repost 31,000 views. Where you accumulate not on the night. Because you come and go on like say, you know, it was a virtual party contracted to HBO and TNT was showing live. Those views are views that you accumulate over the days of the party, after the party keep. But at the same time, come show the payout. Because every video have a lifetime payout on it. Every video carry a lifetime payout. Every video. Because if you look down here, some people, I can show you. If I do a video 1 year ago, because every video you do on YouTube, you have to get paid for each time you watch. If I have 50 years from now, and the sum add up, so you get a lifetime earning. You can see a lifetime earning off of that video. That video you have up to now, you can come show me your earning off of that for 1 million. And I can bet you say, You not earn half of the views that you talk about, you not earn. But yeah, boss, but not even $500 for the video there. Me not ask you that. You know the reason why? Majority of who watch that video is not supportive of you. Most of them are planker. Most of them come from different camp, and the one them where you feel like say you're a supporter still never support you. Well, germs.
Since the party,
You want a whole buckle of raw data. Make I go for some
2
data.
million something. We know how much was there, and we get 1.5 million from it to the party and climbing. It had 2 million views. My videos them around 100,000, 60,000, 80,000, 90 at clad flop. Me little but my blood clot talent, me have talent and me look.
See what you want here, but that one you never help you. The way your germsy, this are the one where make the factory. See the real raw one here. See ya? This not dilute nor nothing yet. This are so thick. Look on it, people. You saw it thick? Look there. You saw it thick? This are the real raw detail. This are the one that they mix and everything already. See that? And that one that she want, the way she germsy. Move! Right now, tranquility them a send for you one day because a zombie them a come from. The way them a feel in white clothes and cover from head to toe.
No matter what me do to make me still climbing up the ladder side where me not coming down. It's my time now. 2025 me I take back what the blood clot devil stole from me. Anything you do, me no do myself. If you no fling no hobby upon me, I fling back that pussy clot hobby right back.
What kind of leather you depend? What kind of leather you depend and you're not coming back down? The last time you live in a little loft. After them you did that for left the Marriott and you live in a loft at all, but you live in a 3-story. And you're going upstairs now go sleep. Me! See you, me not fabricate no story. One little step up. Because it's like, see the flat here, and then see the next story here. So you don't just put a little step there. One little step up, she step up on the top, but she going upstairs. Or if you go upstairs and I take one step up. One step up can't be upstairs. So I must type of leather that you depend with the ground. Because you know depend on leather, girl. Where? You skirmish.
I tell you how be a man right back to center. Anywhere come from. When you come to the spirit world, and one man to work with
you come like earthworm in a social media, like how earthworm that take over Colorado field. Yeah, and tomato field, that's how you come in like. When it's a disaster to your own self.
When you see me on camera, you see me look good. You just see the light
camera, you have a right, pan camera.
Them a thief.
Pan camera, you look good. You have a right.
And this is a general conversation to all of them out there. Them is a thief and a scammer. And them not working properly, they're working for themselves to bumbuckler come on social media. They ever see me living no other way? Find them come up here and see me I travel, me I eat at every restaurant me like, me I do what me have to make myself happy. My lifestyle has never blood clot changed. That's what I love company, you know. You better mean just stay and watch my movie.
You know, long you talk and say you stop and drink. You want me to sorry?
And she said, boy, boss, you come out, man, because I love video.
Your lifestyle will never change. You're right. The dirty, nasty, careless lifestyle will never change.
$15 a week for them. Me download them. Now you can't fuck like man, no dead. I pay a battery when I do my batteries. My man is out of money for my bed. Where is your bed? You will see me. You don't need to see my bed. Can you fuck me at night time? You don't need to see my bed.
You don't have none. You don't have none. When you talk boss, if you have things and good things, I want to not show it. I want to say bossy and cockatoo.
You look better in your house. Come take it and look.
You're so quick, you jump up and show high class, so you buy for 500 and 600 because you have that. But that are the least of the problem. Where is the bed? At 65 years old, you're not afraid to catch cold. You're not afraid the little piece of spring in the recliner juke you. You check if you have sugar. Mind the spring in the recliner juke you. Because the amount of people that the recliner they go to pass through. If you cannot come show one little eyeglass so you pay how much for, and you can't show your bed, you can't show the apartment where you say you rent how much months now, so it just lock up on this day. You get week off last week and you don't got your apartment and your storage you go. Move nasty woman.
Go sleep on that blood clot and you want to good.
You're a nasty woman. Where? Big 65-year-old nasty woman.
I'm come up with, but this is my bed.
This is my bed. Oh.
You see a bed bigger than
me have a sheet and a pull yet.
You can't afford California King sheet. So good, boy. You can't afford it. Anybody grudge if you look a piece of carve out wood?
See it, me have a sheet and a pull yet. I mean, I tell you about the little 200 thread wear them we are sell. See the 350 thread wear. See that? 350 thread wear.
On my land and country, we have whole heap of mahogany and cedar wood. Me not ask you. People come there and thief and cut down tree and whatever.
We have a curtain and a pull yet. See that? Because when we buy things, we don't buy them one. We buy them in a bulk because we don't like to shop every day. Like you, we have to run to a shop to buy disposal clothes. Move. You can't talk to me. Anytime you and Tina can come show me a bed and show me where to live. Me them not asking if you walk through, just show me in the bedroom.
You ugly like blood clot English bulldog. Your face shape and quinch up your blood clot neck just look like a them English bulldog. And them no cute. I saw for your next year your face. And then you come up here but you want
Master, you need to go back.
Go suck your girl.
You need to come spend 2 months at Jamaica and I could teach you off the cuffs. But you want to go harder on this but it never worth it. People may want to go harder on this but it never worth it. Because she not pull me.
Me don't have nothing good to say about him. At all. Nothing at all.
Master, no worry man. It is coming at you. Speak my mind, people, bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. Go and wish bad for people and people pick me. What is to be is going to be. If you don't see it come already, you're not going to see it again. There's so much things that happen around you. So much people you know, family, in-law, we pass and gone in less than a year. What happened to your picnic? No worry man, more is to come. What happened to you? More is to come. Speak my mind, people, bless upon yourself and thanks for watching. I don't know they do like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And all my new subscribers, if you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV, please go over there, especially you females who have a husband or you want some different type of cooking. You can go check the channel and some video from way down, some cook video. You know, someone who cook certain meat one way or 2, 3 way. There's whole heap of way you can cook it and feel taste nice. So you go check out them vlog there. Alright, and subscribe to the channel and follow me also up on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. And remember the cash app is there, $ Charms and Trends. So when they give me, I use the gift to give back to the needy and not the greedy. Remember the merge them, Mother's Day come, support the merge. Check out the website of Charms and Trends. That shop. Alright? And support the Speak My Mind merge. Buy your mother something nice as a souvenir with her picture on it and her name. Alright? Go in at the DM for further information. Check out the Instagram business page, charm_and_trends on Instagram. And drop in the DM for further information for anything customized. And remember, make your customized order early. Alright? Peace out.